Alright guys, welcome to graphing the standard form of a circle. We've been working with circles all unit, so now we will learn how to graph it. So the standard form for the equation of a circle in the coordinate plane is given as parentheses x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where your h and k value will be the x and y coordinates for your center. So where the h comma k is going to be the center, the x and y value for the center, and then the r will be your radius. So let's look at this first one and see if we can do the h and the k. So here's my equation. I'm going to highlight this h in blue. Go ahead and grab a highlighter and highlight, please. So that's right here. And I'm going to highlight this one for k. It's going to be right here. And I'll do my r right here. Alright, so looking at the h value, you're like, oh, easy peasy, h value is 4. If you're saying 4, you're actually incorrect because your h value is actually negative 4. So your center is at h comma k. But in this case, h is actually negative 4 and k is actually 2. And let me tell you why. So with the parent function right here, x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. When I plug in the h value of negative 4 right here, if I plug it into my parent function, I'm going to have x minus negative 4 squared. Two negatives right here makes a what? That's right, it makes a positive. So this actually becomes x plus 4 squared. And that's why my h value is negative 4. And same thing with the k value. The k value, let me plug it in and let's see. So y minus 2 squared, which is what we have right here. So your h value is actually negative 4 and your k value is 2. For your so let's go ahead and let's graph that dots, our radius at negative 4 comma 2. 1 2 3 4 1 2. So here is our center. Now for our radius, this green part is my radius squared value. So this green is my radius squared value. So I'll set up the equation as r squared is equal to 25. So my actual radius, I need to square root both sides. R is going to be equal to 5. So from my center, I'm going to go 5 units out in every direction. I'm just going to do it in 4 directions and connect from there. So 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So that's my center, which is 5 units out. 1 5 5 5. So my circle looks like this. I'm gonna draw the perfect circle. There you go. And that is how you graph a circle in standard form. Alright, let's try number 2 and see if we could kind of do it with me here. Number 2, I'm going to look for my h and my k value first. So I'll highlight the blue for h. You can use whatever color you've been using. Red for, is this red? Red, oh. Interesting, I don't think there's a red. And then my green for radius. So let's go, my h value, h comma k, is going to be, so it looks like it's going to be negative 7, but my h value is actually positive 7. And I actually don't have a k value. So if I don't have a k value, that means my k is 0. So my center is at 7 comma 0. Right here. think that is 7. Yes. All right, go ahead and find the radius, please. Find the radius. Go ahead and give it a pause. Find your radius and resume, please. All right, with my radius, I have my 4 is my r squared value. So that means my r is going to be 2. So from my center, I'm going to go 2 out in every direction. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. Once you have your 4 dots, go ahead and draw the perfect circle. Just like mine. It's so easy to draw a perfect circle. Alright, go ahead and do 3 and 4 and check your answer on the next slide, please.